Yes, I even do the little tray here. The trick with that is you want to do it nice and even, and then after you do it, let it set for a little bit, then look underneath this edge, because if you get it too much, some of this is going to roll over and you're going to have little droplets, and if those don't drop, they dry, and if you feel your finger underneath there after you're all done, you'll see it and you'll feel it. Okay, so I'm going to check that later. Make sure that doesn't happen. Now here's a little tip for you. When you get ready to seal right up against the edge, you don't want to run your paintbrush like this because you're going to miss. If you miss or part of your brush goes over, it could touch your wall. So what I like to do is run it sideways. I get a little bit of the sealer off, and now I can run my paintbrush sideways like that. See? That way, if it sticks over, it's sticking over that way, not ka-clunk. You know, boop, 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 oops. See there? Run it sideways. And you'll find it's much easier and quicker. No fuss, no muss. Don't get too much on your edge, and now just push it. You're just pushing it right down the edge. See there? There it is. Okay, push it down like that. Presto. When you're painting around a soap dish or ceiling, you know, I like to grab my paintbrush and do this whole thing down like this at an angle. Okay? Just like that. Now down here at an angle. That way when I run my roller, I don't have to kind of get up in there. I can just go like that. Easy breezy. Yo, here's another tip for you. Yes, this video is all about tips when you're sealing your floor. See that? There's the shower head, and if you think yours doesn't drip, well, just to be on the safe side, put a plastic bag around it after you clean your shower out and scrub it and get ready to seal, because the next day you don't want your floor to be wet when you get ready to seal, okay? So I just leave that up there. Whether or not I think that drips or not, it's a good insurance policy. Oh shoot, I thought I was done with showers. I've got another one to do right here. Well, time to get busy.